Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can actually find 100x Solana, Ethereum or base chain meme coins. So I have a few methods that actually help me make a shitload of money finding those 10 to 100x meme coins. I have a few ways on how you can actually spot them and how you can be early on these coins, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys in this video. Before I do that, I quickly wanted to say that if you want to basically spot Solana meme coins, then what you need to have is a Telegram trading sniper bot for Solana. The one I'm currently using is called Trojan on Solana, and it basically just allows you to buy and sell Solana meme coins much quicker than anywhere else. Basically it's 10 times faster than Radium. It allows you to snipe meme coins, has so many more features such as limit orders, dollar cost average orders, copy trading, liquidity pool sniper. So you need to use that if you want to buy or sell Solana meme coins, because otherwise you will just never be early basically on the Solana meme coin. So that being said, let's just immediately get into the video right now. So how are you actually capable of finding, for example, a 100x Solana meme coin like this one? For instance, Night Feeder I posted yesterday, or basically 2 days ago right now, here over on my Twitter account. Actually make sure to follow me, it's the second link in the description, go check it out. It's really important that you follow me. I basically post a shitload of things on Twitter right now, so go check it out. But yeah, I literally posted right here, I said that basically Night Feeder was looking really undervalued, and basically since that post it literally already did more than a 2.5x. However, actually before I posted that post, I literally bought this project right around this level at a $2 million market cap, and at its peak it reached an $8 million market cap, so already a 4x. And the reason why I was so confident in this play, and that's also why I'm basically putting a shitload of money into this project. I genuinely am making right now a shitload of money with this project. I've put in like 2 Ethereum right here at the bottom. The reason why I've done that and why I was so convinced in this project is simply because of a good narrative. And right now the only meme coins I am seeing doing really good are coins that have an actual narrative. Coins that basically have no narrative and that are just based on random things such as Pang, for example. Of course they can still run good, but recently, because Bitcoin has been dipping quite a lot, only narrative coins have been doing really good. And narrative coins are coins like Night Feeder. I'm going to show you guys in a second what they actually mean. Or for example Eric, which has been going absolutely crazy here on Ethereum as well. Or for example Hottie, which has been going insane. Or for example Breath on base chain, which has been going insane, of course. That are all basically narrative meme coins that have been doing extremely good, of course, on the base chain. And that's basically also why they have been pumping so much. So yeah, what are narrative coins? Well, narrative coins are basically a meme coin that is actually based on some sort of a value or some sort of a story. For example, with Night Feeder, the reason why this is going up so much and why so many people have confidence in this project is because of the narrative. What it is, it's actually basically the pet of Pepe. We can see Pepe the Frog's pet featured in a Boys Club comic on page number 27. And what does this mean? It basically just means that Night Feeder is the actual pet of Pepe, and it's actually been proven also in the comic book series on page number 27. If you don't know, Pepe, Andy, Brad and Wolf have all basically went to multi-million dollar market caps simply because they were featured basically in the comic book series by Matt Fury. And also Night Feeder is one of the characters that has been basically featured in that comic book series as the pet of Pepe, and that's just extremely bullish. And that's why I think this is just basically getting started, and this will most likely just keep on going up simply because the narrative is so good. And if this ends up going to like a 20 to 40 million dollar market cap, I will be making a shitload of money because the narrative is good, and I knew that the narrative was good, so there was basically a guarantee almost that this was going to go up. Now another one that I'm currently looking at that is most likely going to do good, and there's basically just an extremely big chance that this coin will just continue going up. And I know it sounds crazy, you have to have a lot of confidence in these narrative plays, but if the narrative is good and then it's also a community takeover, which is really important, meaning there's no team basically, then there's basically quite a big guarantee that the coin will just perform really well. We can see this is right now sitting at a $1.2 million market cap, so really early. And what is it? It's basically Elon Musk's pet goldfish, and this has also been proven here over on his Twitter. We can see right here, I did actually have a fish driving car with my pet fish Eric. And we all know that, for example, Floki, another pet of Elon Musk, literally went to $1.5 billion in market cap on the same narrative. So just imagine how early this is. I'm just already spilling a lot of tea right here. I'm just showing you guys all of the coins I'm currently looking at. But another one that is right now looking pretty decent is, for example, Hottie the frog. It's literally the girlfriend of Pepe. And if we look right here, it's literally the girlfriend, also be proven in a comic book series. So right now, so a lot of things are just doing really good that have a good narrative. Mostly narrative coins have been doing really good on Ethereum, base chain, and also some other chains such as FTM and all those kind of things, Stone chain. Solana has not been the best for narrative plays. However, there are still have been some decent narrative plays. So yeah, right now the best way to make money is just find a coin with a good narrative. Once you've done that, there is basically a massive guarantee that it will go up. Of course not 100%, but there's such a big guarantee that it will go up that they're always pretty big in these projects, simply because the guarantee of them doing good are just so freaking big. The risk to reward is just insane. We've also seen it with Andy, for example, another narrative play, which is literally been pumping right now, as we can see. So right now, narrative plays are, in my opinion, the easiest way in order to make money. How do you find narrative plays? Well, it's really easy. Go to any chain you want, Ethereum. I would recommend Ethereum, base chain, or Solana. Then just go to trending and see if you're finding any narrative plays. Just literally go to every single one of them. That's it. Just go and check every single one of the coins that are currently trending to see if the narrative is good. If they are, you can potentially try to get into the project. You can then just check out their website to see what the project is about. And if the narrative is good, get in. Of course, a shitload of projects also don't have a narrative. For example, I don't know, Mockcoin probably doesn't have a narrative. So yeah, you basically want to skip those, but most of the time there's at least one or two projects on the trending page that have a narrative. Or you can also just go to Twitter, basically just like this. And what you then want to do is head over to your For You page and then just search for Twitter posts that say you're buying any gems tonight, because these are posts that a lot of people will basically be putting their top meme coin plays on. If you then just go to the comment section, you will find a lot of good coins that have that basically have a good community and also sometimes a massive narrative. So this is a really easy way to also find good projects, simply because a shitload of people just put their project here in there, and that's just an easy way to find a lot of projects as well. And there are a shitload of basically posts like this. So right now, I just love how all these narrative plays are playing out. Right now, it seems like this is the easiest way to make money. I mean, every single narrative play I am currently in, it has been going insane, such as Eric, and also Night Feeder, which is another one of my massive bags. I really just like the project, I like the narrative, the community is great, everything seems to be playing out for this. So yeah, I just really think that narrative plays are going to be the next big sector in crypto. And it already has been basically, but yeah, right now it seems like they are popping up more and more. And yeah, we've also seen it, for example, with this guy called Clean Crash Calls or something. Narrative plays have been doing really good. Another narrative play that has been doing really good is this coin called Conan, I think. Yeah, it's the dog of Trump. That's just another one of these narratives that's just extremely good, and will most likely continue doing good simply because the narrative is good, and that's why they've been pumping so much. So just find projects with a good narrative. I've already showed you guys how you can do that. Just do a lot of research. You're not going to find a narrative play right basically in the first few hours, and maybe there's just not a good narrative play this week, maybe next week. But yeah, most of these plays will eventually do extremely good. So that being said, that's basically how I'm currently investing in Solana meme coins and Ethereum and base chain meme coins. I'm just not randomly aping anymore. I actually want to make sure that I'm investing in a quality meme and not just some random garbage. So yeah, basically that's how I do it. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. Make sure you go sign up for the Trojan trading bot. It's extremely easy. It literally takes 5 seconds. Take you to Telegram. Click /start and that's it. You basically create your wallet. So go check it out. First link in the description. Make sure to follow me on Twitter as well. A lot of alpha there. And basically that being said, I hope I will see you guys in the next YouTube tutorial or meme coin freaking review.